Welcome back, everyone. First time tuning in, I'm Chris, and this is Pia's Projects. All right, well, it has been far too long, but we are back working on the Beetle. Okay, so to refresh everyone's memory, this is busted. Okay, there we go. So, what I've done about replacement. Now, not only is it a replacement, it's an upgrade, at least from my understanding. It is a roller pedal versus the standard, well, the older Beetles had, I don't know, you just saw, have that clip or have that bent rod. So when you push it, it goes. Well, the problem is over time, it just moves. And then mine just went bloop, sideways and snapped on the bottom. So this one comes with a roller, okay? Looks like it comes with the whole cable as well. I don't know if I can use the existing cable and maybe I could save a little bit of time. But this is the accelerator speed wheel from Classic Bug Parts. So, you guys can see that. All right, I have kit 1 because that covers my generation, and then kit 2 would be for the next generation. They also offer the pedal extender, so I got some big feet. I might eventually go to this because it spreads it out a little bit. Pedal. Well, at least the rubber portion. I'll go on last. The actual pedal, okay, so it looks like, I believe when you're facing it, this is how it will be. Okay, there is a bolt and a lock nut. We have this pin or this roller. Okay, so my understanding, this, when you're pushing on it, this is rolling that way. Okay, this is where this hole is where the throttle cable hooks in. You can see that one has a hook. I need to look to see what's in there. So that will hook in there. There is a part of the back of the pedal this will clip into. From what I can tell, back here, this comes out. I think I have to pull the assembly. I pull this out and then put the roller in here. All right, with what's broken, I think I'm gonna order the replacement bracket. Empty trailer. Let's see what we go pick up. All right, here it is. This little trailer. And yes, I used my trailer to pick up a trailer. All right, it's a little camper. All right. All right. Fiberglass body. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know how old it is, but from what I can tell, I would guess 70s, maybe 80s. All right, here we go. So, I mean, it's not in perfect condition at all. I mean, that's fine. I don't need perfect, right? Definitely. Oh, yeah. Oh. So, there's underneath storage. Look, I guess that's how the outlets and stuff work. So then, you know, you put your camping stuff underneath, pop up, places to sleep. It almost looks a little bit like an old motorcycle trailer. But, plans for it. Set up and have the Beetle tow it. I mean, why not, right? Definitely has the Volkswagen vibes. I think, so this should be 4x100. My plan, so these are with 12s. I have some 13-inch, and then do like a little lower profile tire on here. It won't be going that fast anyways. But biggest thing I want to figure out how to lower this thing a little bit, so it's a little higher than I want it for the overall look. But I mean, see, have to bust out some needle and thread for this thing. I might actually look at fabric change eventually. For now, this is more of like a, it's definitely a show piece, something to bring along to a show, add to the conversation. But also, I can get right in. I can almost stand in here, but we can just lay right down, take a little nap. Well, you can lay down if you have the rear legs down. Oh man, yeah. So I gotta figure out probably need to ride it up on some blocks, put the legs out, and then, yeah, that's probably exactly it. Oh. So Probably need to add some sort of handle so it's easier to pull that up. I don't know if I could put like some sort of, if I set this up for a battery or just for a cooler. So for now, it's really just going to be something to look at. Get me out of the shade at shows, or at least shows I bring the Beetle. Because, so I guess the biggest thing is, and we'll have to test that out later. All right, if I'm bringing this to a show, ultimately we'll have to test to see if this fits on the trailer with the Beetle. Also, if I had some help or build a ramp from the truck, it could probably fit in the bed of a truck. And just sort of roll it up there. Just strap it down pretty good. And definitely have that away from the glass. In the glass. Right? But yeah. Like I said, the body's fiberglass, so it's good. We will figure out how the rest of this works over time. It looks like there was a flag here. Make it easier to back it up. So I'll probably add something again. Heck, maybe a PS Projects flag. Definitely like the color. I really think the color matches the interior of the Beetle. Now we need to fix the Beetle. So, step one for it to be towing, it needs to be running, correct? Box CIP1. Or this Tuesday. It was here Thursday night. Maybe, no, Friday night. It was delivered Friday. I was on the road yesterday, Saturday. But today, well, first, sticker. That'll go on the wall. There we go. Just in case there was any doubts. Oh, man. This is why we test things first, right? Means I'm going to have to drill this out ever so slightly. All right, I got that bracket re-drilled. All right, I just used my Dremel with the wire wheel and cleaned up the back of this. I still don't know if it's going to be enough. There we go. Much better. My next issue is, I think the clutch cable is in there. So I need to see what kind of hooks I have. So maybe I can grab it and pull it. Because that should be connected to there. And I didn't feel it. Alright, take this snap ring off. This will slide in there. Whew. We might need to clean out yep, that's what we have to do. Alright, I'm just gonna take the drill, run it through a couple times. Much better. So, you want the larger hole facing the tunnel. There we go. Then we take that C-clamp. Oh, come on. There you go. Now let's see if we can find that clutch cable. Well, looks like I goofed up on something. When you take that pedal assembly, you have to disconnect the clutch cable in the transmission. I didn't know that. And yeah, now I'm learning. Well, I'm gonna see if I can reach it. I couldn't get the passenger side to pop up on a board, so I'm only picking it up from one side. I have the jack stand and the jack. It'll be fine. I'll probably throw the other jack up there real quick. Well, let's zip off the wheel and go from there. Yeah, so this is the clutch cable. I need to hold it and then pull that cable off. And yeah, then I should be able to push the cable forward so I can connect it. Make sure I hold the pedal up. And then come back here and reconnect it, and then probably tighten it. So I ended up pulling the whole cable nut off and everything. All right, and then push through. And if you see, there's the clutch cable. So right here. Before I toss the pedal assembly and everything in there, I'm gonna vacuum under there. There's plenty of dirt and stuff. And also I need to remove the old pedal bracket. All right, I forgot to record. But I cut the hook on the throttle cable and fed it through the hole, because the way it wasn't gonna fit. But now that that's done, I need to put something to make sure this doesn't go anywhere, you know, so I can tighten up the clutch cable, the throttle cable, and then put the brake pedal back in. So yep. All right, clutch pedal connected, brake pedal. I wonder if I have to bleed brakes again. I hope not. We'll see. And throttle pedal. connected. So now, the whole point of everything, let's put in the new pedal. All right, pedal is in, feels good. I'm gonna slap the rear wheel on, and then it's time for the ultimate test. Make sure it still drives, right? Well, out of the garage, it does start. Idle issue, but it, again, probably because it just hasn't ran in over a month now. I think I need to tighten up the clutch cable just a bit more, but I'll work on that in a few. All in all, I mean, it took a little longer than expected, but the throttle response is instant. I used to have to like stomp on it almost. So that's good. A little adjustment there. Brakes seem to be fine. I will I'll check them out some more here shortly, but yeah, Beetle. And I'm telling you, that interior and the base of that, they're close. They're close. So, actually, one more thing. Yeah. Hey, if anyone's got any suggestions on a hitch, let me know. I got someone who's gonna show me a few things on how to weld, even if he's the one doing the majority of the welding for the stuff initially. Yeah, but I'm thinking build something that comes out, so brace it across the frame like an A, and then it come up here, and then we connect to the ball. But yeah, that color, that, yeah, that's close. Hey, thank you everyone. Continues to support. I know not every video is exactly what you guys want to see, but most of the time it's just what I have time for. Okay, I finally got everything I needed for this. Well, even after having to order stuff last minute. But go order a hoodie, open air. Again, I'll have the link below. You have until Friday, September 27th to get your pre-order in. And then everything will start shipping out in October. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everyone's support. Don't forget, there's always a solution.